The settings are used to customize your virtual showroom according to your needs. They are located on the right side of the interface of your showroom. With this button, you can retrieve and apply the settings of another showroom. In the first parameter, you will be able to select whether or not you want a welcome page when the showroom opens. You will be able to customize it according to the name of the customer you invite via the sharing parameter. Select an image from the platform's library or via a URL link. You can also add a presentation media, which will follow the home page if you have taken the option. There are 3 formats: video, image, and map. Next parameter. The style parameter allows you to personalize your virtual showroom according to your wishes or your brand identity through several ways. By changing the size of the 2D points of interest. By changing the color of the texts, the menu, and the product sheets. By customizing each type of interaction via an image or a pictogram. By removing or changing the color of the 3D POI highlighting. Next parameter. The navigation setting allows you to add additional features to facilitate navigation in your virtual showroom. By default, the functions show hide 3D point of interest, 3D view of your virtual showroom, and zoom are already activated. You can also add an interactive map, which will be available soon, so stay tuned. A floor plan, to have a view from above. A measurement tool, to calculate distances. Next parameter. The product information parameter allows you to choose whether or not to display prices inside your virtual showroom. You will be able to add a stock system to avoid displaying products that are out of stock. Depending on the user's origin, you can choose to display or not some products. Next parameter. The wishlist parameter allows you to use the shopping cart functionality. Thus, your customers will be able to add the products of their wish in this basket, send it to different contacts by email, or place an order if you have set up an e-commerce API like Shopify, Magento, PrestaShop. Next parameter. The privacy setting allows you to restrict access to your virtual showroom in 3 ways. Restriction to company members. Restriction with the password used on Matterport. Restriction according to the domain name. Next parameter. The audio setting allows you to add background music from your media to your virtual showroom. You can then adjust the sound via the icon in the upper right corner. Next parameter. The share setting allows you to invite a particular person into your virtual showroom and to personalize the home page with their name by checking the option in the setting of the same name. Next parameter. The last parameter allows you to customize the URL link of your virtual showroom and to choose the languages present inside. The last 3 options are specific cases. Contact the Retail VR team for more information.